Jimmy the rabbit hops onto the beach. The sand looks soft and bright. Wow! The ocean is wide and blue. Waves go splash, splash. The sand feels warm and squishy under Jimmy's paws. A seagull says, "Squawk!" Jimmy looks up and giggles. Jimmy hops closer. The water shines and moves gently. Splash! A wave tickles Jimmy's toes. Jimmy laughs. The water is funny and cool. Oh, Jimmy finds a pretty shell hiding in the sand. Jimmy keeps the shell safe in her bucket. Look, a tiny crab goes click-clack sideways. Jimmy waves hello. The crab scurries away. Jimmy pats the sand and builds a little castle. Uh-oh, a wave comes closer and closer. Splash! The sandcastle melts, but that's okay. Jimmy smiles. She can build a new one. The sun goes down. The sky turns orange and pink. Jimmy feels calm and happy listening to the waves. Bye-bye beach. Jimmy had a fun sandy day.